Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with my Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on overcharge protection. Okay, so this is definitely a feature that I recommend turning on, and I'm just going to explain how it works and what it's all about. So overcharge protection is a safety mechanism that's built into batteries on your phone. Also, it has a charging system that prevents the battery from being overcharged beyond its safe capacity. And this prevents potential damage to the battery, such as things like overheating and the battery swelling. And it even, believe it or not, it will help to stop the battery from exploding. So yeah. So I'm going to show you how to turn it on. So just follow the steps that I'm about to show. And like I says, this is definitely a feature that I recommend turning on, just to keep your battery safe. And like I says, it also helps the battery to last longer as well. Okay, so just simply pull down the notification panel twice and go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says battery. And then here you will see overcharge protection. Okay, so overcharge protection, charging is limited to 80%. So just go ahead and turn it on. So now the battery is not going to charge to 100% whenever you charge it. It's going to charge to 80%. But like I says, it's going to help to make your battery last longer in the long run. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Anyway, that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and also share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. That's another useful tip for you all. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube. Also, follow me on the TikTok. I'm out. Deuces.